Hello! In this video, we will show you how to clean your NESCAFÉ Dolce Gusto Genio. We suggest you perform this cleaning routine at least once a month. Make sure your Genio is switched off and unplug it. Rinse the water tank with drinking water. Then refill it with drinking water and reinsert it. Remove the drip tray. Separate the grid from the tray. Clean the tray with hot water and a damp sponge cloth. Do the same with the grid. Lift the locking handle. Remove the capsule holder. Rinse it with drinking water or pop it in the dishwasher. Be careful of the water injector. Clean the inside of the head with a damp sponge cloth. Take the rinsing tool. It helps drive the water flow during the rinsing process. If you don't have it, don't worry. You can still rinse Genio. Push down the locking handle. Use a container to collect the water. Plug in your Genio and switch it on. While Genio warms up, the power button blinks red. When the machine is ready, the power button turns green. Select the 7th bar with the selection lever. Move the lever to the hot position. Genio will start rinsing. Once the water flow has stopped, the lever automatically returns to the stop position and the power button blinks red. Don't lift the locking handle at this moment. Remove the container. Put the drip tray back. Remove the rinsing tool and keep it for future use. Be careful of the water injector. Dry the inside of the head with a soft cloth. Reinsert the capsule holder. Push down the locking handle. Use a soft cloth to clean the machine and not a wet sponge. Thank you for watching. Now you can enjoy making great coffees with your Genio.